Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining this interview. The purpose of this session is to gather your perspectives on the technological, usability, and pedagogical aspects in the M-Learning with Problem-Based Learning MPBL teaching model. Alright, we will start recording our interview. What is your view on the mobile devices used in this model?
For me, I use an iPhone or iPad. I am skilled in using both, so it's fine, no problem.
As for me, I use a phone or a laptop, depending on what is easier. If it's for Google Meet, I will use a computer. But if it's just for posting objectives or assignments, I will use my phone.
Are you aware of the mobile devices that students use?
I think they use phones.
Yes, that's correct. I see that most of them use phones.
Are the mobile devices used suitable?
The iPad and iPhone are indeed suitable to use. Plus, I always use both during online learning.
Same here. My computer helps me a lot. No issues at all. At first, it was challenging to use, but after doing online learning for so long, I'm used to it now.
What are your thoughts on the learning application being used like Google Meet?
I'm fine with it. All the apps recommend in the lesson plans are ones I have used before. Plus, I have attended many courses related to these apps.
Google Meet, Telegram, all of them are ones I often use. In fact, previous class groups use Telegram. So far, I have no issues using any of them.
So you means our student also have no issues using those apps for learnings?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes,